What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how this part of kanifing looks, the Gambia, West Africa, in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how it looks here. Anyways viewers, so guys, here is called Post Office Johnson, and then I need to cross the road to go to that other side over there. Yep. Let me try to fit in and see whether these vehicles will stop for me. Wow. I need to be careful here. Guys, here is called Post Office Johnson, and then the way the camera is facing, it leads to Westfield. Yeah. Let me get on this other side, which is here. Guys, this is the Gambia, West Africa, in rainy season. So guys, this road is called Post Office Road. Yeah. And there's a taxi garage over there. So guys, the thing is, like, the taxis here in the Gambia are mainly painted in green and yellow color. Yeah. And this is the St. John's School for the Deaf. Yep. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of kanifing. So you guys can see. Guys, let me cross the road to get to that other side, which is here. Yeah, this is the Gambia in rainy season. Guys, it was raining here last night, and this is how it looks after the rain. Yeah. And then guys, And then guys, if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Your likes helps you to push the video to larger audience, and then make sure you subscribe too. Help me to reach the goal of 10,000 YouTube subscribers. We are almost there, and then we can do it by the help of your subscription. Let's go. It's free of charge. Yep. And then guys, I'm almost at the National Disaster and Management Agency building. Yep. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia in 2025 in rainy season. Here is called kanifing. Yeah. And then guys, this road leads to Westfield and Iceman Johnson. Yeah, and this other road over there leads to Pipeline. And then this is the National Disaster and Management Agency building. Yep. So these are tuk-tuks. They are used for commercial purpose, like carrying people from one place to another. Yeah, those are tuk-tuks which are used for carrying people from one place to another. Yeah, it's for commercial purpose. Yep. And then guys, I'm walking towards the Kanifing General Hospital. Yep. I'm walking towards the Kanifing General Hospital. And then guys, I begin this video all the way from there, Post Office Johnson, and then here I am now. Yeah. And that road over there And then this road over there, it's called the MDI road. Yeah, it's called the MDI road, and that's the MDI campus. And guys, that's the MDI campus over there. Yeah. This is the Gambia in 4K view, kanifing. This is the real raw footage of kanifing in 2025 in rainy season in a 4K view. And that's the Ndaus Comprehensive Lower Basic School. This is the main entrance of the school. Yeah, Ndaus. And then that building over there is the Kanifing General Hospital. Yeah, Kanifing General Hospital is one of the biggest hospital here in the Gambia. And then guys, this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Kanifing, the Gambia, West Africa. See you on the next video. I'm out. Peace. Love you all. Bye.